Now, you guys know I am in love with this piece. If you watch me regularly, you know I'm in love with metallics. I love shimmer, I love shine, and I love modern elegance. And this piece, this simplistic little piece, embodies me on a canvas. So let's just review this. My intention was obviously for it to be simplistic, one color only. But in order for it to stand out and be elegant the way I wanted, um, and have some sophistication, it had to have variation. And using the high gloss, which is basically paint without pigment, I just let that dry, and it is very glossy, as you guys can see. And the way that the smoothness flows adds a lot of variation with the thick white band, and then having the overspray from the gold, which is a stunning gold. All golds look different, and this one is just a new one for me, and I'm in love. But the mesh as well, going in with the palette knife and making those impressions, completely transformed it. You can't even tell it's mesh, but at the same time you can. And the patterns are very unique, and they'll be different every time, which is why I love that technique. But then the combination of all of those things with the crackle paste is what really brings this piece together, and I'm absolutely in love with it. So if you guys love this piece too, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. I appreciate it. Is free. It helps. Hit the like